Alex May asks us, have you, the USA Kilts staff, considered taking up any Scottish-related hobbies? For instance, baking, crafting, combat sports, etc. If you want to, but you haven't, what's holding you back?
Okay.
So I'm going to expand this to Gaelic hobbies, not just Scottish. So
Okay, that's fair.
So if you wanted to say hurling, for instance.
Yeah, sports. Yeah. Got it. Mac, and we'll bring you in for this one as well. Do you have any hobbies, baking, anything, sports that you would consider doing?
I considered curling for a while.
Curling? Okay.
That was one that I was looked at because there's a bigger curling club not too far from here.
Yeah.
That I considered for a while, but then I got into axe throwing, so that kind of took front bumper.
Combine curling and axe throwing. So you have to
curl throwing. Yes, you got to throw the stones.
No, imagine the sweepers. You're throwing axes at them the whole time while they're trying to sweep.
Well, what's the there's a Scottish sport that is very similar to hurling.
Yes. That one.
I will think of it here in a minute.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Because it has like the long.
It's
not highlight.
No, it starts with an S.
Yeah.
It's still a form of hurling. I think it's like the Greater Gaelic League. Like they have different rules. It's very similar game, but the rules are slightly different. So when they have matches between the two countries, they have to do an amalgamation of the rules to accommodate everybody. That's what I can barely remember.
Shinty?
Shinty. Yeah, Shinty. Yeah.
Shinty, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you from the notes beside me.
And if it hadn't been like a year and a half since I did that video on hurling, I would have remembered that.
Yeah, because that's a really old sport.
Mm-hmm. All right, Eric.
So it's hurling. What?
What are your...
What? Oh,
yes.
Hobbies.
Thoughts?
I don't know. I mean, where do you stop with this? I mean, because there's generic stuff that you could argue is Gaelic, but then there's more specialized stuff. So I'm a hiker, so hill walking is an obvious one. I've done archery, which you could argue is a classic Scottish sport until that upstart golf came along. Barbaric. I've done some cooking. I've done some baking and some cooking. I've made my own haggis at home. I'd like to get into doing puddings, like black pudding, white pudding. I haven't done those yet, but that's on my list. So culinary stuff like that I like.
Yeah. For me, I would say that I would like to try, or at least a slightly younger version, less arthritic version of Rocky would like to try Highland Games. I did track and field in high school.
Right.
So, shot put or stone put would be fine. I would, turn in a caber. I might need a smaller caber, more like a broomstick, to be able to get it over. But I would have liked to have tried that maybe a little bit more in my prime. The food thing I enjoy. I'm not much of a cook, but my wife makes a spectacular Irish soda bread.
So eating.
Eating, yeah.
Scottish hobby
I like
is
the eating thing, yes.
Deep frying things.
Or drinking. Drinking scotch, testing different scotches.
Drinking is a good scotch.
It's a good pastime.
Good Gaelic pastime.
Yep. Indeed.
Yep.
Trying to think of any other sports or anything. I wouldn't say rugby as specifically a Scottish sport, but I'd like to get into rugby a little bit. They play it a lot in Scotland. Now, why haven't we done it? Mac, what is your excuse why you haven't done the things you wanted to do?
Axe throwing was closer.
That's fair.
Geography.
Yeah. And I believe the curling in that facility is all year long because obviously it's indoors, so they can do it all year long.
Where is it at?
I don't think it's in Westchester. It's not like...
Is it Iceline?
Not far.
It's not...
Because believe me, I know hockey rinks in the area.
Yeah, but I don't remember... I don't know if it's their own... If they have their own facility. Because it is...
Okay.
It is they hold like larger tournaments there
and stuff. Okay.
So I don't know if it's their own facility or not. But yeah, axe throwing was closer, so...
Right. Okay. Eric, what's your excuse why you haven't been more productive with your life and
Well, I spend all my time working here, basically.
That is actually my
Yeah.
excuse.
It really is time. I mean, like, hiking doesn't have to cost a lot. Cooking doesn't have to cost a lot. It's just making sure it's like forcing myself to take the time for myself is usually what holds me back from doing a lot of things, including those.
Yeah, I would say like hiking. Not like massive hiking, but I do like going out walkabouts in nature, especially with the sun. Sun meaning my son, not the sun. That's kind of a given. But yeah, it's just lack of time. It's for I work essentially 6 days a week, and 10 to 12 hours a day. So it's difficult to find extra time while also having a wife and kid that you have to see from time to time. Apparently, it's frowned upon if you don't, I guess.
Now, you're gonna go hunting this fall, right?
That's the game plan.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
deer
there you go.
stalking. There you go.
There you go, deer stalking.
Now you got to wear plus
Sort of, kinda.
fours.
Sure,
kilt.
why not?
There you go.
But in blaze orange though.
Blaze orange plus
Not
fours.
a bad idea. Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Hope that answers your question. Kind of.
Ish.
Yeah.
What hobbies?
We just ramble.
What hobbies do people out there do? Does anybody do any comments?
Seeing golf
Sure.
has been
Yeah.
brought up quite a
Saying
bit.
fly fishing is a very traditional one, actually.
Yeah.
From the old country. Hey, thank you for watching. There are a few hobbies that I thought of after we recorded this, like leather work. People who make their own sporrans, right? Knife making. People who make traditional blades. Brewing. Venting. Making your own whiskey and stuff. Those are all fantastic ways to be connected to the old country and also have a great time in your spare time. Tell us in the comments what you do.